Hi everyone, are you excited to meet Brayden the bull and find out what is in the bag? Everything in our bag today starts with the sound B, and that is for the letter B, just like Brayden the bull. Can you put your lips together and say B, B, just like bull, banana, ball. Fantastic. Shall we find out what's in the bag? Are you ready to sing with me? Can you show me your clapping hands? Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, what's in the bag? Let's find out and see. Oh, what's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's find out what's in the bag, shall we? Did you guess that would be in the bag? It's a banana. Put your lips together to say banana. Fantastic. Are you ready to find out the next item? Can I see your clapping hands? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's find out what else is in the bag. Remember, everything starts with the sound B for the letter B. Let me have a look. Let's see what it's going to be this time. It is a balloon, and it's a blue balloon too. So we've got banana, balloon. Are you ready to find out what else is in my blue bag? Show me your clapping hands. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's see, let's find out what is in the bag. Here we go. Oh, now this creature comes out at night. He is a bat. Can you hear the B sound at the start of the word? Let's say these again. Banana, balloon, bat. Are you ready? Let's find out what else is in the bag. Clapping hands, please. Here we go. Oh, what's in the bag? Let's find out and see. Oh, what's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's see. I'm excited. Are you excited? It's like a lucky dip, isn't it? Here we go. Oh, it's a bike, and the bike has got a basket on the front. Can you see that? That looks like Miss Jo's bike, but Miss Jo's bike is blue. It's actually this colour, blue. Let's have a look and see what we've got so far. We've got banana, balloon, bat, bike. We sometimes say a bike is a bicycle. Are you ready to find out what else is in the bag? Alrighty, here we go. Clapping hands. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's find out. Oh, I wonder what it is. Ah, yes. It's a basketball. And I know Brayden the bull likes to play basketball. Let's check out all of the items that begin with the sound B. See if you can hear it. Banana, ball, bat, bike, basket, ball. I think there might be just one more item in the bag. Shall we see? Ready? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? I think it's the last one. Oh, it's a lucky dip. Let me see. Ah, yes. It is a book. Book. Do you like reading books? Miss Jo certainly likes reading books. Shall we go over our sounds again? Here we go. All of our items begin with the B sound. Banana, balloon, bat, bike, basketball, and book. How did you go with all of those items beginning with the B sound? There were a lot there, wasn't there? Say thank you to Brayden the Bull. Bye, Brayden the Bull. Make sure you join me for Lola's story to see what Lola and Brayden the Bull pack into their school bag. I'll see you next time.